Okay, the next thing you sent me was talking about, you seem to be okay with the coterminal part because you either add 360 or subtract 360 to get coterminal, meaning the angle ends at that same spot. The reference angles, okay, and then I'll talk about the negatives. You seem to get stuck on the negatives. So when I'm looking at reference angles, that just means reference angles are always between 0 to 90, okay? So you won't have a 2100 degree angle. That is not a reference angle, okay? So I'll go through this real quick. If it's between 0 and 90, obviously the reference angle is that angle. That makes perfect sense. If it's between 90 and 180, I take 180 minus my angle, and that'll give me my answer. If it's between 180 and 270, I'll take the angle minus 180. And if it's between 270 and 360, I'll take 360 minus the angle and it'll give me my answer. So that's the straightforward way to do it, okay? So let's look at the 115. We'll get to the negative in a second. So 115 degrees. If I think about that, 115, if I come over here, is between 90 and 180, right? So I'm going to say 180 minus 115, because that's what it tells me to do. And 180 minus 115, because I'm not with it today, is 65 degrees. So that would be my reference angle for 115 degrees, okay? Now, you can do the same thing anytime with all the positives. Now, when you get down to those bottom two, negative, okay, because let me explain what negative means. Positive, we're going counterclockwise, right? As soon as it says negative, now I'm going clockwise, okay? So if I think about this, the negative 460, for example, I can go all the way around, that's 360, but now I have to go 100 more, which would put me over here, right? Okay? So this one is a little weird because it would put me 10 past here, right? Okay? Because when I come around 360, I'm left with 100. I come to here, that's 90, and I come 10 more, that'd be 100. So that would be my 460. Negative 460 would be to here, which is 10 degrees above 270, which would put it in the positive respect. It would put it at 260, right? So now all I have to do is say 260 minus 180, and I get what? Should get what, 80 degrees? Okay, so that's how it works. When you see the negative, it's just going clockwise. It tells me it's going this way, where positive tells me I'm going the other way. Okay, it's just changing direction into which way you're spinning. I hope that helps. So let me know if you need any more on this stuff.